Hi everybody. As a business owner, I'm not an HR expert, nor do I understand the HR processes. And there are solutions out there, but they're quite expensive, and they're quite complex, and they're not really made for small businesses. And that's why we need something that's easy to use, that's quite practical, and that's also affordable, and that is Piilo. I'm Philota, I'm the CEO of Piilo, and to assist me is Nolan Daniel, our technical director. Piilo is really focused on innovating human resources and people management for small and medium-sized companies through cloud computing and mobility. Our real focus is to make human resources really easy for all employees across the business. So it's not just for human resources professionals. It is actually written for business owners or for operational managers and for employees. We actually created Piilo based on our own frustration of the lack of human resources and people management solutions out there for smaller companies, and also the fact that as a business owner, you want to focus on sales and operations and not specifically the administration component of your company. To give you an overview of the market, the HR software market exceeds more than $10 billion, and it's growing at 22% per annum. As more and more people are using cloud computing for human resources, we see 80% of our customers as small and medium-sized companies, and then we see 20% as large companies. So let's have a look at Piilo. So when you purchase Piilo, there's 4 easy steps that you need to complete. The first is you need to select your language. Currently, we are on a beta version. We're releasing that in November and December, so it's limited to English, but Piilo is developed for easy translation, so we'll translate into 10 languages. Then what you do is you set up your departments in your organization. You also create your organizational structure, and that's basically the workflow within Piilo. And I think one important thing to say about Piilo is that it is really modular. So when I am a small retail shop and I have 10 employees and I want to manage the time of 10 employees, I only buy 10 subscriptions. If I want to manage the performance of only 2 employees, I only buy 2 performance management subscriptions. So you can use it as a module, or the more modules you buy, you actually create your own integrated solution. With our beta release, we will have 12 modules available, which includes, for example, career and skills development, performance management, time management, leave management, so basic things that businesses will use. But Piilo is really focused on, at the end, to manage the end-to-end employee life cycle. So we will grow from 12 modules to about 30 modules. Okay, if we go into the launch, this is the launch page. So you see only the icons of the items that's been subscribed to you. So if I'm an employee and I only have 2, so I only have 2 icons. The 3 tabs, one as an employee, one as a manager, and one as an administrator, if you have been signed up as an administrator for a module. If we go into a module, what we've done is we've rewritten the spec of Piilo probably 7 times. And a key problem with small businesses and medium-sized businesses, and also operational managers in large businesses, that you don't understand the underlying process. So we embedded the process in the user interface to make sure that people know their roles and responsibilities and the next steps. So if, for example, in this module, the employee is going to create a career plan for himself. So that specific step is then highlighted so they know what step they are. And we also really simplified the user interface, so there's very little information that the employee needs to capture. Once they want to submit it to the manager, there's workflow, which we set up in the organizational structure. The manager will get an email notification. They can click on the email notification, and then they'll see what we call the global action list. The global action list is a list of all activities that the manager and employee and administrator is responsible for. In this example, we're going to look at a leave approval. So the manager will go into that leave approval. He can see the leave request from the employee, and then the next tab, he can actually see the leave balances of the employee. Piilo's got comprehensive reports per module. So in other words, it helps with some business intelligence. These reports are available for and limited to specific positions in the organization. So it's either the employee can view his own information or the manager across departments and obviously the business owner, everybody. Okay. So in a nutshell, Piilo is really focused on making human resources easy, practical, and very affordable for small and medium-sized businesses. We are going to a beta release in November. So I want to invite you to go to www.piilosoftware.com and to sign up. We would like to get some feedback from people. And then we're obviously looking for people to participate with us and also investment. We are in cubicle D17. Thank you.